Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate your EV Fleet app using Auth0 step by step clearly. To authenticate your EV Fleet app using Auth0, start by creating an Auth0 account. Log into your Auth0 dashboard. On the dashboard, navigate to the Applications section. Click on the Create Application button. Choose a name for your application that reflects its purpose. Select the type of application that suits your needs, such as single-page web application or native for mobile apps. Click on the Create button to proceed. Next, navigate to the Settings tab within your new application. Here, you need to note down your domain, client ID, and client secret. These values will be essential for your application's configuration. Scroll down to the Allowed Callback URLs field. In this field, enter the URL where Auth0 should redirect users after authentication. Also, populate the allowed logout URLs with your app's logout URL. Next, specify your allowed web origins for CORS. This ensures your app can communicate properly with Auth0. Now, head to your app's codebase. Install the necessary Auth0 SDK for your platform. For a JavaScript application, you could use npm to install the package. Run npm install at auth0/auth0 react in your terminal. After installation, import the Auth0 provider in your app's entry point. Wrap your application in the Auth0 provider component. Pass the required props, including your domain and client ID. Next, implement the authentication logic in your app. Create a login button that triggers the login process. Utilize the Use Auth0 hook to manage authentication state. Implement logout functionality similarly, ensuring users can easily exit their sessions. To secure your API routes, include a middleware function to validate the JWT. This will ensure only authenticated users can access protected resources. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.